Hey guys, and welcome back to another video here with Angel Bee Designs, formerly known as Crafty Mama. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. What I'm gonna do today, I get this question so much. Angel, I don't have a heat press. I don't have the money for a big heat press right now. Can I sublimate with my easy press? Simple answer, yes. If you have watched any of my previous, well, I won't say any, I have a couple, maybe 2 videos where I sublimated with an easy press. Yes, you can sublimate with the easy press. Can you sublimate large projects with an easy press? I would say don't do it. But today I'm going to show you how to sublimate on a mouse pad using an easy press, a Cricut easy press. I have I believe it's the middle one. It's not the biggest one, it's the second to biggest one, and I think it's 12 by 12 if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do that today, and I will show you how. So I will meet you at my mat. All right, so we are over here at my mat, which I haven't even turned on my easy press. Okay, so this is the easy press that I have. It's a Cricut easy press 12, like I said, the 12 by 12. I have the Martha Stewart one. When I purchased my Cricut Explorer Air 2, as it was a bundle sale, so I got the Cricut Explorer Air 2 as well as the 12 by 12 heat press together. It was like a 2-for-1, so I think I paid $400 or something like that for both of them. So mine is the Martha Stewart one, but you can get whichever one you want. And like I said, mine is the 12 by 12. This does go up to 400 degrees, which is what you need typically to sublimate on. Some people sublimate on 385, 365. It depends on the item that you're sublimating, what the temperature and the time should be. But my Cricut Easy Press does go up to 400 degrees, which is what I am going to have it set for today. Now we're going to go ahead and sublimate onto a mouse pad, which is small enough to use the easy press. You still get the exact same colors as you would with the heat press. It's the same outcome. Now, if you look at my sublimation on an all over shirt, I did use my easy press for that, and I got lines. So that's why I would suggest not using the easy press if you have a large project, because the heat is uneven when you're splitting it. Like if you have to split it, I'm going to sublimate this side of the shirt and then sublimate this side of the shirt. Because you had to split it, typically where that line is, you might get a line of demarcation. 9 times out of 10 you will. I did when I tried to sublimate an all over shirt. So that's why I would suggest use sublimating items that are the size of the heat press, the easy press that you have. So we'll be doing, I did socks in my sublimation haul with my easy press, no problem. And I'll be showing you how to use a mat. So yes, a mouse pad. So yes, you can sublimate. Here's my image. We're gonna go ahead and put this on a mouse pad. I've already printed and cut it. I use my Silhouette Studio to go ahead and print this off. I've already cut all the white off around it. Then I'm just going to go ahead and place it onto my mouse pad. I will link everything down in the description box where I got the mouse pad from, my ink, my easy press. I will link all of it down below. And I'm just waiting for my easy press to finish warming up. It's on 385 now. Couple more seconds here. All right, so my easy press is set. Let me get, almost forgot my butcher paper. I'm going to tape this down because I don't want to get any ghosting. So I'm just going to quickly tape this, the sides of it, the corners. That should be good. I'm going to cover it with my butcher paper. And we are going to go ahead and press this. Now I have it on 40 seconds. So we will go ahead and do 40 seconds. Make sure you're completely covering your image, which I am here. And we'll just let it do its thing. If you're not already a member of my group, which is Crafty Mamas with an S on Facebook, go ahead and check us out. We're at about, well, almost 2K members now. So definitely check us out. Like I said, all the products and everything will be down in the description box. So please check the description box before asking me where did I get everything from. I'm going to do this for a full minute. It's already been about 40 seconds. I'm going to do this for another 20 seconds. I like to make sure that my color is fully transferred and we have them popping like we need them to. A couple more seconds here. Okay, so I did this for about a minute with my Easy Press. Okay, and there it is. There is our image. Let me turn it around here. I don't have any ghosting or anything. This right here, that's the drop shadow I added. So that is supposed to be there. It's a drop shadow. But yes, that is what our image looks like. It is nice and light and bright. Let me get it under the ring light here so you can see it. Colors are popping. No issues. It's not burnt. Nothing. All of the ink transferred. Okay. Ink transferred very well. No issues whatsoever. So like I said, yes, you can use an Easy Press to sublimate. I would just sublimate smaller projects with your Easy Press, but you absolutely and 110% can sublimate with an Easy Press. Okay. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, drop them down below. If you have any video ideas you would like for me to do, definitely drop those down below as well. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.